Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. This is Teresa. I just wanted to share Mary Maxim Monday. This is the bag we're making this month with Mary Maxim's mystery kit. Every month you get a kit delivered with all the yarn and everything you need except the hook and the scissors and the needle if you have to tie in endings. This I just crochet them in. But the kit is $16.99. $4.99 shipping, $21 and a few cents US dollars. I am not affiliated with Mary Maxim in any way. This is just something that my son, Creative Craftings with SC, and I do on a monthly basis. We do the kits. Sometimes we do them a little different than they are pictured, and sometimes I do it right all the way it's done, and then he does it all the way it's on the instructions, and either one of us will just swap it up a little bit just to put our little flair on them. It is a fun kit because it's something you could do quickly in a month, unlike doing an Afghan or something that takes more time. This is my absolute go-to when I'm going in the car or I'm just wanting something that I could watch a program with, or, quick and easy project I don't have to think with. And this month I've gotten my 4 inches done on the grays, so that color is completed. I do believe I was about here last week, and I got some of the pumpkin done. I need to go to 4 inches on the pumpkin as well, or further, depending on how big I want my bag. This is the bag that they have. I'm going to be doing it correctly. I just am not 100% sure if I'm going to go a little bit deeper on the colors here, because I measured it correctly here, but I like the pumpkin. I don't know. We'll have to see. I want to get it done so that I can get next month's kit and get ready to go on that. I don't know when that will be shipping. It has yet to be shipped, but Mary Maxim is usually quick with the shipping once they process the product. I am not affiliated with Mary Maxim at all. This is the sample of the yarn. You get the five skeins of yarn that you need to do the kit. They're all the Grundy Pretty. It is very soft. It is, I don't know the color lot 14. And there's your specs. There is no thickness. I'm saying it's a regular 4. Thank you for liking, sharing, and coming over to Yarn Again. Have a great day.